Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this matrix visual. I hope guys, now you guys have good understanding about this matrix visual. And the next visual of Power BI is R. So guys, for using this R visual, we should have basic understanding about this R language because we need to run some script here to connect this visual. And in a similar way guys, if you guys want to use this Python visual, so again you should have basic understanding about this Python language to run some scripts. So I'm not gonna cover these two visuals here under this playlist. And now let's jump to the next visual of Power BI, which name is Key Influencer. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this Key Influencer visual. So guys, with the help of this Key Influencer visual, we guys can analyze the data and we can see what factors are affecting in our business. And this is an artificial intelligence powered visual in Power BI. So firstly I will tell you guys why this AI visual is different from other visuals. So guys, normal visual represent the data in a visual format, but AI visual also gives you some input and it performs some analysis by its own and create visual on the basis of your factors. And now let's understand how we guys can use this Key Influencer visual. So let's go to the practical page. So here we guys can see I have already taken this Key Influencer visual from this visualization pane. So guys, here I have added some new tables. So let's check the tables first. So go to the data view and here I have taken company ID and company size. So under company size guys, we have taken only 3 values. And now let's look at the next table, which is customer table. So here we have some additional column guys like roles, ratings, original score, company ID and so on. And now let's see the next table, which is geography. So here we guys taken some countries, continent and geography ID. And now let's talk about the next table, which is role. So here under this table guys, I have taken only 3 kinds of roles like publisher, consumer and administrator. And the last table guys, we have support tickets, where I have taken the data of tickets like customer ID, support ticket ID, ticket created date, ticket completed date, escalated date and duration. And if I go here in this data model guys, so here we guys can see we have already built a model between one to many, between all the tables. And now let's go back to this report view. And here we guys can see we have few parameters of Key Influencer visual like analyze, explain by and expand by. So here guys, in this first parameter, which is analyze. So here in this analyze parameter guys, we need to enter that field here which we want to analyze. So let's suppose guys, here I want to analyze the rating column. So firstly I will search my rating column from here and I will simply select this rating column from customer table and drop here under this analyze. See guys, once I drop this rating parameter here we can see the ratings. So by default guys, its rating is low. You guys can also change the parameter like low to high. So for now only guys, just let it be on low rating because I want to analyze the things that what factors are affecting on my low ratings and why my rating is low and what action do I need to take to stop this low rating. And now guys, I will take some other fields here in this explain by parameter. And now guys, let's analyze the rating on the basis of countries, that what country is most affecting on our rating. So I will simply search my country column here and select this field and drop here under this explain by parameter. So once I drop this country field here guys, so here we guys can see France country is highlighting with low rating, which is in green color. That means France country is top influencing factor. And now guys, if I hover my mouse here, then here we guys can see consumer gives low rating to France, which is 15.01%. And if you see this average line guys, which is 10.33% of Spain, UK and Germany. So the average rating is 10.33%. And if I talk about this likelihood guys, so the France rating is 1.44 times more likely to be low as compared to all other values of country. So guys, now the question is where these values come from, which is 1.44 times. So the answer is the lowest rating, which is 15.01, divided by this average rating, which is 10.33. So let's divide with this calculator. So let me open my calculator first. And here I will divide 15.01 with 10.33. So here we guys can see the answer, which is 1.45, which is exactly same to like 1.44 multiple. So that means guys, this France country gives you negative score as compared to other countries. And now guys, I will add some more fields here under the explain by. And from this company table guys, I will take this company size and drop here under this explain by. And now we guys can see this visual again reanalyze and giving us inputs. And now if I click here on this country size parameter, and if I hover my mouse here, so here we guys can see consumer gives low rating if the size of the company is greater than 5000. And if I talk about this next bar graph guys, so here we guys can see the rating is low. And now guys, I will add some more fields here from this tables. So I will expand this role table and check this role in organization. So see guys, so I will go here in the support tickets and click here on this only escalated one. So in this way guys, you guys can analyze multiple fields. And if I talk about this role in consumer, so just click here on this value. So here we guys can see the consumer is more impacting here. And this is a top key influencer here in this consumer organization role. And now guys, we have one more thing to cover here under this visual. And now I want to see some other details of this visual. So I will simply click here on this top segments. And here we guys can see the combination of multiple segments. So let's talk about this first segment, which is 77.6%. So these segments are ranked by the percentage of low rating within the segment. So if the bubble size is increased, that means higher proportion of low rating. See guys, because here rating percentages is very low. That's why the bubble size is bigger as compared to other ratings. So if I click here on the 77.6% segment, and here we guys can analyze more factors. So let me increase the size of this visual first. So in this segment guys, consumer give 77.6% of negative rating and the overall average is 11.79%, which is sum of escalated is greater than 2. And now if I talk about the second segment, which is 49.4%. So let's click this next segment. So see guys, the sum of escalated is greater than 1 and it is less than or equal to 2. That's what it is giving the negative rating, which is 49.4%, and the average rating is again 11.79. So in a similar way guys, you guys can check other records. And if you guys want to go back into the visual, just click here on this cross button. See guys, and go here into the key influencer. So in this way guys, you guys can add any of the field here under this explain by parameters. And you guys can create powerful AI visual to represent the factors which are mostly affecting of our business. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of this key influencer. So let's click here on this formatting pane. And there is nothing much to cover here under this formatting pane. So click here on this analyze button guys. So here guys, we have just only one feature, which is categorical. And now guys, if you guys want to turn off this key influencer, just simply turn off this toggle button. See guys, now the key influencer option has gone out. And if you guys want to turn it on, just click here on this toggle button again. See guys, now go back to this key influencer. And here are the counts guys. So you guys can turn it off and as well as you can turn it on. And here under the count type guys, we have two options, absolute and relative. So you guys can display the data absolute as well as in relative. And if you guys want to turn off this top segment, so simply just turn off this toggle button. See guys. And the next formatting feature is bubble visual color. So let me expand this feature first. And here we guys can see we can play with this multiple color. Like the main font color is red this time. So if you guys want to change it on, just simply select this color. Let's say black. See guys, now the color has changed to black. And these are the primary elements guys. So you guys can also change with the color. Let's say again black. See guys. So in this way, you guys can play with this color formatting features. And the last option is chart. So let me expand this chart feature. And this is my chart guys, so let me change the color of this chart. Let's say red. See guys. And the next formatting feature is reference line. So just expand this feature, and from here guys, you guys can also change the color of your reference line. Let's say blue. See guys. So I hope guys, now you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the feature of this key influencer visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist guys, so here we guys can see the multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am trying to cover each and every visuals in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group, where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs or trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions, which is asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys.